I had one experience of LSD under someone who knew probably more about it than anyone in America, so that I don't take risks like that. And I had it, and afterwards, I think what astounded me was to realize how visually creative my mind was, because I've never been very strong visually. And the patterns and shapes and sizes that I was seeing in all colors are absolutely extraordinary. And I had about 10 minutes in the middle when I got a bit panicky, and the guy supervising me thought it was recalling a bit of a struggle I had in the birth canal. I did not have an easy birth. And that passed. And then I just liked the experience. I wasn't afterwards, I never felt changed by it. But I think if you did, because those psychedelics are basically relaxing the mind to let the real stuff in when it's not occupied with everyday trivia.
That was my take, that the brain is a filter and the acid opened the filter.
That's right. I'm sure that's correct.
Yeah. That I wasn't hallucinating. I just began to see what was swirling all around me anyway.
Well, the people who can't explain it always say it's a hallucination, but the huge difference between these experiences and hallucinations is the sheer clarity of these experiences, which is why people remember them afterwards. And very frequently, particularly after near-death experiences, they lose their fear of death, which is absolutely extraordinary. And the idea that a hallucination could do that is basically, I think, ridiculous.
Well, a psychedelic was the point where I separated awareness from thinking. Because I knew I was mentally insane on this acid. My thought process was schizophrenic, but the clarity, as you say, the awareness was as if I had put on these spectacles from heaven, and things were so, well, apparent, but also clear.
Yes.